If you've been looking to increase the SEO of your Squarespace website, you've probably looked into changing your SEO title and your SEO description, also known as your SEO appearance. So I'm going to show you in this video how to change the SEO appearance of a singular page and then how you can replicate that across pages. Okay, so we'll use my site as an example. What we want to do is go into pages and then we want to find the page that we want to change the SEO appearance of. So in this case, let's just change Sam Crawford. So for anyone interested, this is just a landing page about me. It's just like an author page. Now, if we click on the cog and then we click on SEO, you can see that we can change the SEO title and the SEO description in here. Whatever you want, just pop it in, hit save, and you're good to go. And that's it. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.